it sounds like it's strong. Hold on back out. Right now we're about to see the
That's it for
turn.
today.
See how much we can get
Gonna
this bid
require
for.
$1,000 deposit.
Yes, sir. Let's see what's under that hood. That Hemi. Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Got a Volkswagen engine.
2,000.
I had to guess, probably gonna go for online.
Who wants it? Who want it?
Hey, rev it, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's got that little one. Let's see how much it goes for.
It's already too high, fellas.
All right, 2019 Dodge Charger. Record not found.
Record not found, bro. California. 20,000.
25,
25,000.
27, 28, 29, 30,000, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, $40,000 now. 41,
$40,000.
41 going once,
One's
41 going
41.
twice, 42, 43,
price,
44,
price.
44,
44,000.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 4,900.
$49,000.
50,000. I got 50,000. 51. 51. Going 52. I got 52. 53. 54. 54. 55. 55. 56. 56. 57. 57. Going 1. 58. 5,800. 59. 5,900. Going once. 60,000. 61. 61,000 going once. 62. 6,200 going once. 62,000. 63,000. Hey, wait. 64,000. I got 64. 64,000 going once. 64,000 going twice. So for
What do you think,
64,000.
YouTube? Do you think this is a good deal or
Ay,
not?
my vacation's
$64,000. I don't know. Leave a like, leave a comment. Would you pay $64,000 for this auction car? Damn.